Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I look forward to taking you around the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar D200 Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Carpathian Grey. Starting our journey from the front of this Velar, where we'll see the pixel LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead. Cascading down the side, you'll see further black contrasting features as well as your bronze bonnet louvres as we settle down now on your 21-inch satin dark grey alloys. Opening the powered tailgate reveals a vast amount of boot space, perfect for a canine companion, a set of golf clubs, or even shopping after a weekend. Rear passengers will certainly be impressed with the comfort and quality of their Deep Garnet Ebony perforated Windsor leather seats. Glimpsing into the cockpit will reveal your 20-way heated electric driver memory front seats, ensuring comfort and quality on any length of journey. As we take a closer look at your fully leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design with a wide array of functions at your disposal. In front of you, you'll see your fully digital display, which can harbour key information such as your speed, sat nav and your trip computer. Moving over to your Pivi Pro touchscreen, which as you can see is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and provides great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your front and rear parking aid as well as your rear camera, which will ensure parking and navigating this vehicle is like second nature. You'll further be able to access your climate control and heated seat functions from within your entertainment screen, as well as further vehicle dynamics and terrain response systems. Lastly, we look up to see your fully sliding panoramic sunroof, which will engross this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar, which we now have available at our dealership.